Hey guys, I have Bosch Serie 6 and as you can see it's showing E15 or error 15. Normally when these things happen, there's some things leaking there or water got into the bottom of the dishwashing machine. So we just try to find what causes this and do some troubleshooting and fix this permanently. First thing that we need to check is the pipe outlet. Just open this and then check if anything's blocked in there. Make sure when you open this to be careful because water will come out. Secondly, just check this pipe here just to make sure there's nothing blocked as well. Again, water can come out, so just make sure to turn off the tap before you open it. If nothing is blocked, what we do next is from the front of the dishwashing machine. We just need to open the door. There are 12 screws that I have to remove. So I just use this on there. So make sure to turn off the power point when you do this, just in case. So this one will come off. This door, just open it carefully because there's the clip there. As you can see, there are two of the clips needs to stay where it belongs when you put it in. Remove the door. There's a switch here. There's a plug, like you can remove this, and then it will come off like that. Just put it there, and this is the part that we need to take out. So just take the cable out. This one here, just there's a switch, there's a button here, so you press it and then this will come out. Move this bottom part. You just have to tilt the machine. As you can see, there's a plug there that you can push, and then it will, if you push it, it will be easier for you to remove it. So as you can see, there you go. This is what I mean. So you just wiggle that a little bit and then it will come off. So there's this part that we have to take off now. Take this off, and then the other one on this side. Okay, this will easily come off. After that, this thing will come off. Should be easily. There you go. There you go. Now just take this out a little bit, and then let's see what's inside. There you go. That's the inside. There's a sensor inside that detects if there's water, so we just have to make it dry. You can open this cover, and I can see inside there, guys. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a bit of water in there, see? So I just have to put some towel here, paper, and then just try to make it dry. The sensor detects water and then it gives you that E15 error code. Guys, this is the sensor for the water. If there's any water leak, the sensor will detect it and send the E15 code. And just want to make sure that this is dry, this one here, and then put it back there again. To put it back where it belongs, assemble everything, and then try to start the machine again. So now I just have to put everything back to its place, of course. Okay, let's see if it works, guys. Okay, I'm just gonna turn on the power button here. Just make sure. I'm gonna turn it on, and let's see. Oh, look at that. It works. There's no more error code. Off and on. Put all the screws back. Make it screw fit. And then put it back there. Just twist it a little bit. There you go. Then locked it. It's locked now. Now let's see. Let's put this back in. Then I'm just gonna do a test run. Just make sure there's nothing that I forgot. Just press start. Go guys, a short tutorial about how to fix your dishwashing machine when it gives you the E15 code, which is error 15. That gives you an indication that there's water leak at the bottom of the dishwasher or inside the dishwashing machine itself. So you have to take everything out, and then you have to clean, dry the area that has the water sensor, and then put everything back, and then it will fix everything back to normal again. Thank you for watching. I hope this will help you and save you a bit of money, not to call any plumber, you know, call out fee and all that. So it helped me, so I don't have to call anyone, so it saves money in terms of this. So thank you, and hope to see you in the next video. Please subscribe and like this video if it helps, and comment down below. Thank you. There you go. It's all done.